Okay, hey folks, it's been a hot minute. Um, and so um, we have a bunch of things to do, one of which is Spark 359. So this is important. We agreed to extend the release of the support period for 3.5. And so part of that means keeping it up to date. Anyways, but this is still sort of in the regular support window for 3.5. So what are we doing today? So it's been a while since we've had a Spark 3.5 release, and so there's a lot of things that we need to update because there's a lot of sort of old dependencies for Spark 3.5. So we are going to work on those. To that end, let's go ahead switch into terminal mode, yeehaw, and then we're gonna go find our terminal. What branch are we on? Oh, this is the transpilation one. Let's make sure we commit everything. Status. Okay, doot, doot. Um, okay. Oh, shit. Get batch. Get rebase. 5206. Interesting. Huh. Maybe this is not the right branch? No, it is. Okay. No, okay. Um, Damn it, okay. Git, diff. Uh, yeah, okay. Git, yeah, okay, let's go git reset. But actually, before we do this, okay, let's go. We're gonna doot. Um, okay. Master git rebase master. There we go. Um, Now git push force grid. Okay. There we go. Okay. Upgrade? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, cool. Well, let's go git checkout branch 35 dash dash track origin branch. Fine. Git push, git log, great, and then git branch. Um, feel like, did I really not? Origin upgrade spark dependencies. Huh. Okay, I'll get. Except actually, wait, yeah, no, we just want to do get checkout. And we're gonna go get rebase. Branch 5. And. Or we're gonna have to do a forthwith release. Okay. Forthwith release. And we're also gonna want to make a Jira for our actual 3.5 upgrades. Spark Jira. And actually, we'll do these as separate thing, broadly speaking. Well, actually, interesting idea. Git log. And so here is Hadoop version. Do we ever upgrade the Hadoop version inside? Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay. So Dongzhong last change the Hadoop version to 3.3.4. What? In order to prevent any regression from 3.4x. In other words, although 3.5 of x will lose, this doesn't seem like a win to me, unless I'm missing something. Oh, okay. Interesting. I think this is fixed. Let's go take a look at this. Yeah. Oh no. -1 overall. Did it get fixed ever? +1 overall. Huzzah. Um. Uh. Okay. Yeah. So I think this is long since been fixed. And so this we do okay, so we do change these versions inside of the 3.5 branch. Right, the Hadoop version here, but it's within the same point release. So I want to see what other times we've done this. Okay. Um, okay, I think this is relatively safe. I'm not entirely. Oh, interesting. Yeah, okay. Upgrade to 1311. So Scala version here. Interesting. Okay. Um, this actually gives maybe more context for this. Okay, let's go to 1311. Ah, interesting. Okay. Um, uh, so we have historically, but um, right. Um, okay. So then 18 we dot 0 snapshot. Okay. Um, yeah. Okay, so it looks like we don't normally, or at least we didn't inside of the 3.5 branch so far. Okay. Um, fantastic. Oh, and then uh, take a look at our add co-author script. Uh, um, uh, ah, um, and then and um, let's go with co-authored by, not message. Return. Um, eh, well, okay, whatever. This is fine. Um, so The interesting one though is going to be like, we've got a script to update dependencies. Test dependencies. Um, we want to upgrade. Here we go. Yeah, test dependencies. So if we run this, oh, this is on Scala. Wow, interesting. Um, uh, hmm. Hadoop 3.4, backwards compatibility. Let's go take a look. So yeah, so this should be compatible largely. Should be an R. Yeah, two different things sometimes, but should be. Let's go ahead. Let's file a Jira while we're here. Doot. Okay. Yeah. Create. Upgrade. Hadoop. Upgrade. Upgrade Hadoop version and 3.5 branch to support. So we'll go core 359. Target version is 359. Okay, let's go find Hadoop. Hadoop versions. Doot. 343 was released February 24th. I think that's fine. Yeah, let's go take a look. Announcements. Announcement. Review of major changes. Yeah. Here. 3.2 branch. 3.3 Hadoop version has some. Oh, sorry. Without shaded CVEs, has some shaded dependencies, which have no CVEs. It's not 100%. We probably don't have a path to exploit. Would probably which have known CVEs. While I don't see any which are directly exploitable, it's hard to guarantee a, well, I don't see any. Let's upgrade to 3.4x. And then we're going to go find indicates it should be why you no copy? Why you no copy? It should be compatible. It should be compatible. This also, okay, and then let's go get log. Wait, really? Okay, okay. There are a shit ton of changes. Okay, great. I do. Yeah, not the find the previous one. Let's go Hadoop.version. Here we go. Yeah. The previous downgrade. The previous downgrade. No longer should no longer apply. S3 fix as long suspended. And double check also our versioning policy. Yep. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I think that's fair. Well, maybe I can get a 4.2 landing of transpilation in. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. We'll do this one separately from essentially everything else, just because it is going to be like maybe a little bit controversial. Like people might not actually want us to do this. So that being said, so we ran this. Oh, cool. Hi, Holden. How's your week? Oh, it's been a pretty solid week. Oh, you're in the Bay Area. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. I mean, we're probably gonna do another contributing to Spark meetup in the Bay Area soon. I don't know when exactly. It's something I'm trying to schedule. We'll also probably do another one in Seattle. Working on it though, not entirely sure when. Otherwise, I'm always, I shouldn't say always, I'm often around at meetups and things like that. Okay. So, if we go look at test dependencies. So, we're gonna, okay, so yeah, we're gonna run it with replace manifest. And so this will let us upgrade the dependency versions. And uh, this is hard to say if this is something that we are going to want to do for sure or not. But we'll do it in a PR, and I think this will be good. And I'll loop Dongjun in on this one. And yeah, this is complicated. I would like us to upgrade the Hadoop version just because there are some like shaded dependencies with known CVEs, and like I don't think I don't see a path to exploit here, but you never know. Interesting. Okay. Bundle. Okay. Um. Yeah. So what's this? My guess is this bundle jar is the AWS SDK bundle jar. Okay. And so let's go ahead and make a branch, git checkout minus B. Upgrade to Hadoop 3.4 for transitive for shaded dependency issues. Okay. Update the build.file. Okay, and then what we're going to do here, we're going to add my co-author compute. And then, yeah. Let's go ahead. We're going to push this. We'll raise this as a work in progress PR. Will we raise it as a work in progress PR? Yeah, why not? Yeah. Do we need to do that, or will it kick off CI on its own? It looks like it'll kick off CI locally. So let's let it run CI and go from there. So git checkout minus B. What is the next thing that we should upgrade, do we think? So we've got Hadoop. We have a PR up for the Scala version. I don't know about that. I think that's yeah, I think it's probably 6 of one, half dozen of the other if we should or should not. And what the exact right thing to do is, I don't super know. So on that one, there is a potential issue with the version of Scala that we build with. But it comes from a it's a deserialization issue. So I don't know. It's probably not something that anyone could realistically trigger, but it's hard. It's hard to say. Um, um, yeah, okay. Oh, interesting. Wait, did it go back to 334? It did. Yeah, okay. 3.4. Let's go look at our. Okay, so Zookeeper. Um, more 3.5 upgrades. Go take a look at XML. Go find Zookeeper version. Okay, so let's go take a look at Zookeeper on Maven Central. Actually, yeah, okay. Well, Zookeeper, Maven Central. Okay, 3.6. None of these have no CVEs. Love that for us. What are the known vulnerabilities? There's actually more if we upgrade. The only one without any known CVEs is 3.8.3.9. Let's go take a look at what our version is on master. Zookeeper version is 3.9.5. Okay, let's take a look. Get blame pom.xml. Zookeeper version. Okay, so Dongjin did the upgrade in this branch most likely. Git show. This will close the security report. Passes the CI. Looks pretty trivial. So 394, 95. So do we want to? Let's go take a look at the. Okay. It was fixed in 4.2. I don't know if it was backported. Doesn't look like it necessarily was. Let's go take a look at Zookeeper. Release. Okay. The stable version is 3.8 and the current version is 3.9. Notably, if we go look at, well, okay. So there's a lot of versions to upgrade. What are the CVEs for? We're on Zookeeper 3.6. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at the upgrade FAQ. Yeah, this is not an issue for us because we don't like have long running Zookeepers. That's fine. 3.6 is EOL. Yeah, okay. There we go. So yeah, get cherry pick. This, probably not. Okay. Um, version 3.9.5. Okay. And also run our friend is manifest. Interesting. Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. This bumps a whole bunch of natty stuff too. Um, which that's funky. It bumps audience annotations at natty TC native. So let's update natty while we're here too. Okay. Netty. So here we go. Okay. Let's go take a look at the Netty handler. Okay. Which version are we on right now? 4196. 41. Holy shit. There are much newer versions. 41132 final. 132 final. Like a Netty. Okay, yeah, and then here this has a TC native version. 4212 final. I don't think we should go to 4.2 because the 4.1. Although, let's see here. TC native. Okay. When was that introduced? Git log master pom.xml. Let's go. Okay, this was added in this one. Doot, doot, doot. Interesting. So this explicitly adds a version of TC native as opposed to our implicit one. Okay, this is version 206 one. Interesting. What version do we have? This is 2074. All right. Well, okay. So why would we do this? Yeah. Netty handler. Now this does bring in a TC native dependency transitively through Zookeeper, but I think that's fine. Reasoning about dependency upgrades in old versions is all kinds of fun. So upgrade netty handler, of course. Wow. Okay, HTTP. Okay. Okay. Git commit -am upgrade zkey and nutty version zkey through 6. Yeah, has been EOL since 2022. With a few CVEs. Nutty 4196. Okay, yeah, let's go. If I go here. Here we go. Six has if okay. That's a potential malicious crash crash bug. No D4196 is we should update to the latest in 411. Has a few CVEs. Is that right? Go find DGDeet. Recommended upgrade path is 38. What? 37, 38, 439. We could go to 38. That might actually be safer. Do we want to go to 38? But we're already using 395. Oh, we're already on 39 inside on 39 the newer version. So 37 UL the 2024 38 not yet EOL not yet EOL so makes since to match on the it does bring in TC native, but it does bring in TC native. It does bring in TC native as a new transitive. And okay. Okay. Let's file a Jira for. Do we want to do this? Yeah. Okay. Also, interestingly, the 3.5 branch had an issue in our CI, so I'm curious what that was. Base image failed to build. Interesting. What failed? Another fucking R script. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and make another branch here. Let's make a similar issue. Create upgrade to supported Netty and CQ5. Components core effects 359. Since we've already upgraded to upgraded 395 and 42, and it is the same. Love you, Professor. All right, let's keep going here. In 4.2 and yeah, current CQ version is deprecated. Is in 5 COM and in 4.2 95. So let's target conversion. At the same time, let's upgrade Netty since the TC native using Netty TC native. And current Netty has a potential. Cool. File this, and then check out batch B. Start payment. Issues reported by me. Upgrade Netty and okay. Um, fix face image build. Okay. Let's go ahead. Um, Face image build. Sometimes fail. Um, oh. Sometimes fails. If previous tables on image build. Let's go. I guess. Build. There we go. 3.5 to 9. Ah. Um, okay. What the fuck? So here, uh, yeah. Hmm. So the problem is essentially like we've got this like inconsistent cache, right? I think. Um, mhm. Where's fail? So it starts failing. Lib curl open SSL down. Okay. Yeah. These are all things which um That shouldn't be coming from Cran. Alexa, stop. Like, the only thing that should be coming from... Okay. All right. Yeah, I think that should do it. Because what we do here is essentially we move all of the apt gets up. And then and 40. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Move the apt-get installs up and more consistently use apt install so that we don't get a partial cache fetch error. Co-authored that message. Cool. Okay. Go ahead, push that branch. So that's sort of where we're at. We'll figure out what's going on with CI later. I'll probably come back to this on Monday. I gotta go do a work meeting, end of day, Friday sort of thing. Last one. I really hope, fingers crossed. So thanks everyone for chatting. Pushpatha, Kumar, great to chat with you. I hope everyone has a lovely weekend. Don't work too hard.